Of course, coming to Snowdonia, especially Llanberis, you're right opposite the mountain railway station, and everyone sort of comes with it in mind. Well, we're coming to Snowdonia, we must go up the mountain.
How do you know I'm not going to push him off the top?
Well, yeah, we'll have to sit on the top, I think, won't we?
No, you've plenty of room
That
there.
one's reserved.
Because one of the things that a courier looks for is, if you like, a leading light within a party, especially first day. Someone that's, if you like, forthcoming, and then we can sort of build a report and then get the rest of them to do the same.
Who would like a look for 5 feet?
But this week, a bit fortunate because I've got a group of 21 retired bankers thinking about asking for a loan, but I thought I better not because they're retired. But apparently they always get together once a year, go on a coach holiday, and generally have a good time. We organised to get them up as a group because they get a cheaper rate, obviously. And then it's a gamble with the weather. One particular week, I advised them not to go up. We'll try another day. And because it was raining. So they said, oh yeah, thank you for saving us some money. You know, it would have been a waste to go and see nothing. So I then proceeded to go and I went to clean the coach. And I'm inside the coach cleaning, and all of a sudden I thought it's hot. And I looked outside, it was blue skies, and that was an hour later. And of course these people are looking for me. Where's Bob? But like today, it's so nice, and it's a bonus to them when they get it like that.